Hey everyone, welcome to my another Premiere Pro tutorial. Today I will show you how to do this. Welcome back. If you don't subscribe my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon to get latest tutorial notifications. Alright, here I have taken some video footage. You can use your own video footage. First drag and drop the videos on the work area like me. Select the text option and write your text. Increase the size of the text. Center align the text. Go to graphics option and take a new rectangle layer. Increase the size of the layer over the screen. Make sure to drag the text layer top on the shape layer. Select the text layer, go to opacity option and select the blend mode to multiply. Select the first video and resize and reposition it as like you wish to make it perfect. Select the video and make mask on the video as like me. Unhide the second video and do the same like the first one. Select the third video and do the same like before. Cool, you are done. If you like my tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon.